Hi, Jonathan. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today I will going to test 20-gram potato chips on this ATM 420G 10-head combination wheel packing machine. Okay, let me run this machine to show you how it works. Here is our touch screen. Let's start the machine. Okay, let's stop the machine. So if you have any customized packaging solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.